Hey y'all, welcome back to Segments with Sibre. There is more nail mail. Okay, so I ordered a package from Orly. It came relatively quick. I signed up for their, I don't know what they call it. I think it's called Color Pass, and you get a new collection every season. So Orly isn't a brand that I typically use, but they do have some good components and are free of some chemicals, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead, unbox this, show you the colors. I am going to swatch them and label them and add them to my nail polish collection. So let's just get busy. I enjoy nail polishes, different colors, so that my clients can have something to select. So So this is the Retrowave collection. This is summer 2020. Nice, vibrant, bright. So on here, it says that I have a hand sanitizer spray and 25% off a custom color. Okay. Oh, it's teaching us how to do nail art. Okay, I'm actually gonna try this because I want something, you know, creative to do. So even better. Okay, so here we go. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades. Gotta bounce, far out, super fly, oh snap, hot pursuit, and sight. I can definitely see this one being a fall color, and I can see this one being a fall color. These are definitely summer, springish, and yes. So this is what I was referring to when I said that they are free of certain things. So they are vegan friendly, cruelty free, 12 free, and made in the USA. Okay. Yeah, so this also came with a spray hand sanitizer, which is pretty cool. This is 75% topical solution, non-sterile solution, is isopropyl alcohol. I don't know if you guys noticed, but since, you know, the whole COVID-19 thing occurred, the stores are producing like weird hand sanitizers, and just take the time to read the ingredients. And if you don't know what kind of alcohol it is, I would suggest that you buy it. Just because it's on shelves doesn't mean that it's safe for you. So let's just go ahead. It's nothing else in the box, but the box is so pretty. So let's just go ahead and swatch them. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and swatch. This slides up like this, if you were wondering. Full size bottles. This did cost $29.99. It is a, I don't want to say seasonal subscription, but something along the lines of a seasonal subscription. Okay. I would definitely have to say my favorite shade out of this collection, I'm really sitting here thinking, y'all, and I think that it might be Gotta Bounce. It's just something about the blue gray undertone that it's just popping. So yeah, comment down below what y'all think y'all favorite shades are. Make sure you hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let me know of any other cool nail subscriptions that's going around out there, and I'll gladly order one and review it for you guys. So have a great day. Peace.